Hi, I am Hassan Jiriwa and this is Jiriwas TV. By the way, I'm inviting you again and thanks for joining me. We are going to learn how to fix this application. It has been fortunately stopped. Sometimes you can open some app your Android phone or your iOS phone and application can leave being prior to the open. Application will need you to reset the phone where that can be work. So today I'm going to show you the simple way how to fix this. Let's go. By the way, you need to understand the causes and main or the factor of that problem occurred to your phone. You need to understand the following. By the way, number one things, if the application is clashed, meaning the data will be lost and the application won't be run to your phone or to your Android phone. Second one, if the data is full and your phone needs to free up space, make sure your data is loading and the application is running. By the way, today I'm going to show you I had some applications to my Android phone that won't be run. Which one is KineMaster Premium? Let's go. I'm open KineMaster Premium and need to say skip to those sections and here click on start. The word after choosing the section to press this, it say can never be prayed or has been stopped. Click on add, click here. How it say wait until KineMaster Premium has been stopped, meaning the problem is KineMaster won't be land to that phone. I show you how. This is a problem. It say KineMaster has been stopped and then tell you again open app again. Click on open app again. The application will open it again but can never be in work. Slide again and go to the start page. Click on start and then you're going to choose the leisure of the application that you need to go and use it if the problem has been fixed. Click on add and then add new project. Still not working, say close and open it again, means the problem failed. The problem can never be solved. The KineMaster can be stopped or can be stopped. So okay, today we are going to see how to fix this. By the way, cancel and go to your dashboard. Now go to the setting, your mobile setting, this one, click on it until there, scroll up and then choose here apps and notification. Click on it and here found the extraction premium or the application that you want to fix is KineMaster Premium. Click on it and then go and choose the place where written storage. Click on it and then we have cases and we have data. From your right side, click on clear cases and then after it complete, clear on clear data and click OK. Wait there for processing and then go back and go launch again the extension. Click on it. You want to see how it works again. Click allow. Up to here the problem will be solved and your phone will be working 100% perfectly. My name is Jiriwa and this is Jiriwas TV.